So she's only running for like $20 something. So for the price, it's like just right. Like, I'm not complaining, okay? What is going on, ladies, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Carrie M. If you're new here, please make sure you click on that red subscribe button, and if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you turn on that notification bell, because if you don't know, I do dabble in a little bit of everything, so you don't want to miss out. Okay, so we're going to be talking about this unit that you see on my hair. Mad beautiful, I know, right? So it is an easy unit, y'all. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to give you my thoughts along the way while I'm styling the unit, so we can kind of just get straight to the point, and I'll save my overall thoughts to the end of the video. All right, y'all, so this unit is from Outre. This is from their Everywear collection. It's a lace front wig. The style is Every 6, and I have it in the color DRFF Honey Brown. Now, this unit does come in some other specialty colors as well, and I think it's only running for like $20 something, okay? So we're doing kind of good on the price. Now, you get a comb on each side, one in the nape area, and you do get adjustable straps. It is a right side part, and it does come with a little bit of baby hairs as well. Now, off jump, this is what the unit looked like. Super freaking pretty, okay? Super pretty. Girl ain't even cut the lace off. I ain't got no makeup on, no nothing. It's looking really, really cute. So we gonna be saying what she working with, okay? You know, just because it's cute when you put it on, it don't mean it's all that in the bag of chips. But we're gonna get into all of that. Now, as far as the styling goes on this unit, I'm gonna let you know off jump that the unit is very, very easy to style. So if you're a beginner, this is something you might want to consider. So I did go on with my LA Colors powder like I usually do, and I tinted the lace. I didn't even have to do it. I could have did that like on top of the lace, but whatever. I always make sure that I set my makeup that I put on my wigs with spray, so that way it's not cakey, and that part will get plucked. So it does have a tight part up on this unit. So I went ahead and just used my fingers and did a good old pluck. You know, I could have went in with tweezers and did it, but I feel like it's easier with the synthetic wig, so use your hand, because I feel like it's harder to pull or grip with tweezers, the hairs in the parting space. I don't know if it makes sense, child, but yes, your girl had to check a stock card real quick to make sure I could put heat on this, and you definitely can. You can use heat up to what they say, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I mean, I know it's 2022 and most wigs do take heat, but you never freaking know. And like I said, the wig's only $20 something, so I had to just be absolutely sure that I wasn't gonna melt this wig apart. But I'm just going ahead and flatten out the top area and all that stuff. I'm not gonna say it was looking too crazy. It really wasn't. I'm just trying to make sure it's gonna look as good as it's gonna look. And I go in with my lightest powder, and I always start in the back with the lightest, and as I get towards the front, I go in that same contour kit with a darker powder, which will go towards the front of the parting space and amongst the hairline area, just so that way it blends to my forehead and skin complexion a lot better. And I'm going to set that with some makeup setting spray as well, because it will bounce around. Like, powder is no joke, okay? If you're going to put some powder, you're going to have to set that baby down. Anyways, I would like to say that this unit does have a very beautiful texture. The hair is very soft to the touch. I think it's gorgeous. We do have some flyaways that was trying to play with me though. And so that's why I had to go in with my Got To Be Glue, a freeze spray, and just kind of get them together. And then also, like I said at the beginning, it does come with some baby hairs. And so those baby hairs was trying to play with me too. So I had to take this hot comb and just kind of swoop it back, play with a little bit of hairspray just to get the hair to just kind of get up on my face, because it was acting like it was trying to fight. And I'm not trying to fight no hair today, okay? I'm just not in the mood to be fighting no hair. So really good, real easy to get together. Now, I'm going to tell you off jump, okay? The unit is very pretty. As you can see, y'all, it's kind of effortless. It's not really taking much to style. But I'm going to tell you this. There are some things with this unit that I wish was a little bit better. And I will be telling you about that more towards the end of the video when I give you like the full shebang, like what I love, what I don't love and all that. I'm going to tell you this too, though. Even with those cons, I have worn this unit out 3 times already. So I think it's you know, it's good. $20-something. The little bit cons we're going to be mentioning later. Is it really a bad, like, is it really terrible or is it not terrible? Depending on how you feeling about it? I mean, it's $20-something. That's why I'm saying that. Anyways, my lace was a little bit exposed, so I went in with a black eyeliner and I applied some of that to the lace, and I buffed it out with this little brush that you see me brushing it out with. And then I went ahead and cleaned it up off my face because I did buff some of it into my skin. Now, this is what the wig looked like. This is before I added the that stuff that you just saw me doing, so that's why the hair doesn't look done. That I did that last part after my makeup, but it looks good without makeup too. So this unit is definitely good for work days, it's good for errand days, it's good for throw on and goes because it's easy, it's effortless, and it looks good with and without makeup. That's one thing that I'm feeling about this unit. Like, when it looks good, you ain't gotta put no makeup on. You know you got a nice little wig. So this is what we got going on here. So I'm gonna let this settle in. Take it in. You see it? You see it? All right, let's go ahead and talk about it. So just a quick run through of this unit, okay? So first of all, I love the texture. I love that we have some texture going on. I love the body. I love how full it is. I love the color, and I love the dark root. So all of that is the bomb for me. The style is absolutely gorgeous, super classy, and just beautiful and elegant, honey, okay? No complaints with that. So my major cons are, well, we have to start with the parting space. It was kind of tight, so y'all know I had to pluck some hairs up out of the parting space. And then the fit on this unit, I just wish it was a little bit bigger. I mean, I made it do what it do by making this part stick down a little bit just to give me a little bit more secureness to the unit, but it's kind of like, you know, medium head friendly. It's not really big head friendly. So that's my biggest con with this unit. And the last con that I do have with the unit is how the curls kind of, I wish it was more curls, put it that way. Like, I wish the swoop was a little bit more swooped. I wish this swoop over here was a little bit more swooped. I feel like they're kind of falling, the curls are dropping, and it's not holding as tight as I would like it to. But aside from that, I still think that the unit is really pretty. I do like it. It is full. I love the length. I mean, it is a cute unit, you know what I'm saying? But to be honest with you, can I really complain about the cons that I do have? She was really easy to get together, so she is beginner friendly, and also she's only running for like $20-something. So for the price, it's like just right. Like, I'm not complaining, okay? So that is it, and that is all, and I will see you ladies in another video. So comment down below, let me know what you think about this unit. Of course, the direct link will be linked in my description box. It will lead you directly to my Amazon storefront, so you can go ahead and get your shop on, okay? So yeah, bye.